Let's take a look at how we would put a formula in a cell if we actually had to create our own formula as opposed to using the formulas already put underneath the functions button. So for example, let's say we needed to find out how much it would cost to order these items. So we've got item number 1 here that we're buying 2 of them and they cost $23 a piece. So we want to multiply these. So I'm just going to put an equal sign and I'm going to click on the 2. So it says, oh, you want to take what's in cell C3, which is correct. I'm going to put an asterisk, which is the multiply. And then I'm going to click on how much it costs to buy one of those, which is cell D3. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to put my formula there, $46. If I look up here at my function bar, it says take C3 times D3, which is the correct formula. And then, of course, I can get in the corner and drag down, and now I've copied the formula into this cell as well. But now it says C4 times D4 because that's a different row. Okay, you can also use equals multiply if you prefer that. And then you can still click on the 2 and then comma and click on the 23 and hit enter. You'll get the same result. So multiply is a function, but you would put a comma between them. So either way is fine. I personally like just typing in the straight formula. Let's come down to this little grade book down here where we have Steve and Janet. We have 2 assignments. Let's find out what their total points were. So I'm going to go ahead and put equal sum, and I'm going to just click and drag and highlight everything I wanted to add. So I selected both numbers. I hit enter. And that changed currency because what I did up here, so I need to fix that. I'm going to come up here and go back to just automatic. There we go. And I'm going to copy that formula down. So it's going to add Janet's points as well. And I'm also going to drag it down here because I need to get the total points on the assignments. All right, so the kids could have earned 125 points if they got an A+ on everything, but they missed a few points. So now I'm going to look at how to do their grade. Equals 115, and the slash is your divided by 125. So D9 divided by 125, which is D12, is going to give me their grade, a 92%. I will teach you later why we cannot just drag this down, but let's go ahead and just put this formula in a separate time. Equals 111 divided by 125, enter. Now let's select these 2 and let's make them a percent, and let's do 0 decimal points. So Steve has a 92% in the class and Janet has an 89% in the class. I do believe there's also divide, and it's the same thing. I would take 115, comma, 125, enter. And notice it gave me the same answer. It's just not formatted as a percent. Let's look at basic subtraction. So here we have that we got our paycheck, and let's make those dollars. Let's make all of these dollars. We got our paycheck in April, and we had our bills of $824. So we need to subtract to get the difference between those. So I'm going to put equals, click on this one, hit minus, and click on this one. So B16 minus B17 is correct. I've got $42 left. And of course, I can just copy that formula over. This one, we didn't have enough money for all of our bills. And in this one, if you like to have the words there, this one would be equals minus. So I put minus, put this one, and then a comma, and this one, enter. So this month we had $27 left over. Now I'm going to do control and the tilde key so you can see all of my formulas. Okay, so here it is if we just type in the actual formula. And remember, I just clicked on the cells to put the C3 there and the D3 there, or you can use the word multiply. Here I typed in to take D9 divided by D12, or you could say equals divide and use the comma. And then here is subtraction, equals, click on this one, say minus, click on this one, or minus and the two numbers. So there's a quick overview of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.